Hi guys, this is Elliot Forbes, head barber at the MÜHLE Treatment Space in Carnaby. Today's tip is how to apply product better. So once the hair is dried and set into the position you like, the next part is then obviously to put some product in. Now, it's very easy, and a common fault of a lot of guys is actually to rub the product in through the hands and then just plonk it all in at the front. You never get the even distribution there, and then the back of the hair never looks like it has any product in, because you've just used it all in at the front. So a tip that I actually was told by a good friend of mine, Kai Wilson, is actually to look away from the mirror when you're putting your product in. And what that does is you can then feel where the position of the product's going, as opposed to looking at it, because when you look in the mirror, you look at the front and that's all you can see. When you then turn to the side and away from the mirror, you're actually trying to feel as though you're coating all of the hair, not worrying about messing up the style at all, because you're just trying to make sure that it coats the hair completely. Once that product's then fully applied, you can then turn to the mirror and style it in the position that you want it to be. And there you go, set for the day. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below, and please check back on the channel where there'll be plenty more of MÜHLE's grooming rituals.